What's up? What's up, guys? How you doing? I was in the vibe for that song. I was in the vibe for that song. I am doing great. Thank you. Got a packed night tonight, so we're doing this a little bit earlier than we usually would. Yeah, I was vibing too well. I should have unmuted, started singing along. But yeah, I got a pretty packed night, so again, sadly, we're gonna have to do this pretty quickly, but it's the start of a new quarter, right? It's kind of like what we said last week. It's the end of the quarter, blah blah blah. Well, now it's the first week of the quarter. It's the first week of a new month. We expect a quarterly shift at some point. We expect some very aggressive price action. Yes, Justin, that is exciting indeed. So I just wanted to showcase, basically on a monthly chart, right? What have we done? Well, we've retraced into our range and continued to expand it higher. Now, we could anticipate a bearish summer. Why? Because we did not retrace to a discount on either of these ranges. So it would be plausible to think that we could see a 2 month or possibly even a 3 month retracement to go target this liquidity and retrace into a discount before continuing higher. These are just some possibilities I like to frame on the monthly chart. Same thing on the weekly, right? What have we done last week? Well, we had a pretty decent rejection of this gap, but now we just seem stuck, right? We closed in a doji. We were waiting for a time limit to come, and that is the start of Q3. Now, two possibilities, right? We dig back down before expanding higher, or we expand higher and then dig down. Which, if we go down to a daily chart, we can notice that we are stuck in a range, right? Like, I don't know if you guys were in my Friday's PA review, but we are currently just trading inside of a range, right? When price is stuck like this, you want to wait till it breaks out one side to then trade the target of the other, right? Consolidating, I want to see a manipulation in one way, and most preferably with SMT. And when I'm talking about SMT like that, I'm not looking at anything less than hourly SMT, because I really want to see something that would indicate a retracement into our latest expansion range, which, if we utilize this anchored IPDA, lands at the IPDA 20 low. Yeah, at a great minimum hourly SMT, Justin. So it's pretty boring, I agree, but definitely what we have right now is price is stuck in a range. And with the trading days we have, which I did not talk about today, let me just pop this on our screen very quickly. We have a lot of things, right? First week of the month, which means NFP week. But also, we have news every single day except Thursday. On NFP week, we have a very specific protocol. We only trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning. Well, only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning session, and then Friday after NFP. Though that is the NFP week protocol. Now we have 10 a.m. news on Monday, Tuesday, and even on Wednesday, with FOMC minutes being disregarded in my understanding, and then 8:30. So we'll be trading 10 a.m. on the three first days, and especially on Wednesday, I'm going to be looking to get out very quickly, and Friday will form 9:30. So just based on the idea I just told you about, if we go target buy side, I'm going to be targeting sell side afterwards. I'm expecting a reversal, right? And if we first go for sell side, let's go for buy side after. Well, with NFP, this does make sense. We could see the start of the week just go target one extremity to then go lower. Now, which one is more probable? Which one is more plausible? I do not have enough experience in the markets, right? I've been doing this for a year. I need more time to be able to frame quarters, right? I've only seen four of them. So basically, the best case, I guess, or the most probable outcome to me, it would make sense that since we are starting a new quarter, we could see a change in sentiment, meaning that we could finally see some downside that we've been looking for a while to go target some lower objectives before continuing higher. Either that comes after summer or during summer, right? So definitely will be a weird one. I've also never been through an election year, so I don't know how summer acts. I have not done enough research to give you guys, I guess, the best possible outcome. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for price to tell me where it's going. If it goes for buy side and brings me SMT at the highs. I'm going to go target sell side, more specifically, previous week's low, right? The low we made on Tuesday and Monday. I'm going to be targeting these and a retracement into the discount of our IPDA 20 range. So if I'm looking on the daily, have this beautiful order block right here and discount that I'm going to be targeting. And it's boring, yet so simple. That's all I'm going to be looking for. And I'm not leaving until Wednesday, so we'll have a chance to have a Monday and a Tuesday price action review. I will not be doing a price action review on any of the other days, but as I said in my most recent announcement, right, I'm going to be there in chat. I'm going to try and post some charts whenever I can, but I will be in vacation, so I'll try and take it easy. Do you guys have any questions? Because this is a very, very quick one, right? Because what are we doing? Consolidating. What am I looking for? Manipulation. Do I want to trade manipulation? No. So I'm going to wait for manipulation, confirmed by SMT, taking out higher time frame liquidity, which will then frame me my distribution, right? So it's a very, very straightforward week if we talk about it like that. So what am I going to look at? I'm going to look at weekly open, and I'm going to look at 1 hour and above SMT. Yep, go ahead, Justin. Ask any questions you have. We've been in here for 6 minutes, so got a lot of time here. Right? It's just keeping, like, right, Darrell? It's just about keeping the simplest logic. What could happen right now? Well, we're consolidating. So what could we do? We could go up or we could go down. How do I get a high probability framework? By waiting for the end of said consolidation and looking for manipulation. Again, you could scalp in between those, but I'm always bringing these outlooks in the eyes of a beginning trader. I'm not giving you all the insight that I would have on a specific basis, but I'm always explaining using simple logic, and it works, right? You can just look at my track record with these outlooks. Exactly like I said, Justin, all right? If I see higher prices, I'm going to expect us to go lower. And again, how do we trade? Well, we trade with the understanding that there is a low-hanging fruit objective and a full objective. So if it goes to target buy side, my first objective would be the discount. Oh, that is on the wrong side. Would be the discount of my latest expansion range. So if we do go target buy side, I'm not going to target these swing lows right away. I'm going to target a discount and efficiency that we've formed going to that buy side. But honestly, just looking at price right now, where we open, more specifically, we could just see a Monday going down, but form SMT. So NASDAQ would be higher, while ES would go take out these equal lows. That'd be a pretty sight, right? If I can say so myself. But I'm gonna let it manipulate, and then based off of that, I am gonna look for a trade. So just like you said, Justin, I'm waiting for manipulation, and I am not willing to trade it. Now, if you wanted to trade the Monday, it will probably be associated with the manipulation I'm talking about, which means that you would frame it based on daily power of 3. So just by looking at your daily power of 3, did we open low? Did we open high? Where are we expanding towards? Where is midnight open? The highest probability longs will be below midnight open, and the highest probability shorts will be above midnight open. So I'm just going to look at that. I'm going to look at my 10 a.m. news as my Judas swing. I'm going to look at the 9:30, as we learned last week. If we have a clean 9:30 Judas with SMT, forget about the 10 a.m. news, right? So just bring all of your knowledge, all of your understanding into that day, and understand how higher time frame order flow works, but also remember that we are looking for manipulation. So in that direction that you are going to be trading, take some quick profits. Get in, get out super quick, leave a runner on, let it run, right? But make sure you have your piece of the pie. Exactly, Terrell. Once we see a nice manipulation, hopefully early during the week, and then we start seeing expansion, then we'll have a bit better idea. Because if we're all the way up here by NFP, then we would expect a retracement into our range, if not a complete reversal, which can come with NFP. Now, if we start going lower, basically taking out these lows and then start consolidating right here, I'm going to expect NFP to manipulate lower and then expand higher, right? So it's all based on our understanding, sorry, of weekly profiles, and most importantly, what the news have into effect, right? I only have students in here right now, so you guys know, right? We're going to be looking at weekly profiles. We're going to be understanding what the news brings for us. And also bank holiday on Thursday, so NFP will probably be very, very aggressive. So I'm going to be half leverage and very picky there. Does that make any sense? 50% chance of getting this right. Always, right? Either goes up or it goes down, but in a certain manner. Concentrate on the narrative more than the direction. What makes more sense? Does it make more sense if we go up right now, or does it make more sense if we go down right now? And at this specific moment, there is no answer to my question. I'm gonna wait. But I did talk to you guys a lot, a lot. It's been a while, right? But about IPDA ranges and the effect that SMT has at key levels of these. And I have not done any statistics, so I can't give you numbers. But you gotta understand that these are extremely high probability objective, which is why I am considering the possibility of a lower summer, right? Of us shifting now heading into Q3 for a lower summer and then continuing to the upside near elections, right? Start of Q4. So definitely a lot of possible outcomes. We'll have to check that, but we'll have a great week anyways, right? We'll just take it easy on Monday and see what other objectives. If it's unclear on Monday, just don't trade it. Wait for the next day. You'll never have enough opportunities. As I said, Justin, I don't know, right? I don't like looking into the next 2 to 3 months because I don't see the value. I really don't see the point in me doing that because I'm not a swing trader. I'm trading day to day. So why would I try and give you guys a prediction that I am 100% unsure about when the week before it happens, I can tell you what I think it's going to do, right? I am waiting for more information to be available. On that note, do you guys have any final questions? I know this was a quick one, right? But as I said, got a lot of stuff to do tonight, so we're gonna leave it as that. All right, all clear. Awesome. My pleasure, Terrell. Happy to have you here, Justin, as well. Thank you very much. I'm gonna take it easy, have a little vacation to recharge. You guys have a great night. Good luck trading this week, and you'll be seeing more of me on Monday and Tuesday for our price action reviews anyways. See you guys. Have fun.